a sexual realm. You relate, which leads to a mutual urge to collaborate. No need for communication. No, 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 no. Only strong desire for physical relations. It's not love that you're feeling, but a feeling you love to feel. Emotions burning, heating on high. Feeling so hot, bodies melting in the night. When we collide, 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 when we collide. When your days are filled with dreams, thinking about you, that wet your mind. Nighttime bring wet dreams of pure desire. It's not love that you're feeling, but a feeling you love to feel. Emotions burning, heating on high. Feeling so hot, bodies melting in the night. When we collide, 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 we connected as one, soul to soul, back to back. The connection is strong, it's the Gemini, like words and melody to this song. Connection string, it's the Gemini effect. No need to question loyalty, that's a fact. For decades long, with these hands, creating beauty with shears and comb like gold. Wisdom growing. Now these hands are pen to hold, writing and creating beauty in my song. It's the Gemini effect. It's the Gemini effect. It's the Gemini warrior. It's God's plan. It's God's, not mine. He controls these hands. It's God's, not mine. I thank him all the time. Guiding me. It's my Gemini twin, so divine. It's the Gemini effect. The star I follow as my guide. My left on my right. Never have to search, we are one. Hearts attached, the one account when others performing acts. It's the Gemini effect. It's the Gemini. It's the Gemini effect. Soul to soul, energy connection. It's the Gemini. I dreamed of long walks holding hands, late night phone talks, listening to smooth jazz band. I thought the first time would be sweeter, lost in a mind of confusion, like a mutual connection. But instead my whole understanding was blind in misperception. So lost in this projection. Who are you? Who are you? A stranger in disguise. Ooh, I didn't know. Who are you? Ooh, a day in to show you was never a real man.
Who are you? Trying to break me into my pain and tears. Probably brought your ego great cheers. As for me, tears from a good cry makes my strength multiply. See, I celebrate the loss. See, it's you that's paying the cost. See, you'll always be a loser. See, no weapons formed against me shall prosper.
Now I'm growing, learning what life is all about. Every now and then I wanna scream and shout. Am I dreaming? Change from the yesteryear. No more dreaming in the past. Having a life, viewing many a nightmare. Nothing to get you out, get out of here. Who are you? A stranger recognize. Who are you? A danger knife, a danger to tear your eyes. No more leaving souls in pain. Oh, no, 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 no. Souls in the days. No, no, souls in pain. No, are you? None are you.
Seasons may change, yes, that's the law of nature. Memories remain like a Polaroid picture. Like night and day, friends come and go, yeah. But it's okay, that's how friendlies roll, 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 roll. Oh, friendships go down like the Titanic, but a true one is sails to the end. No fear, no panic, keep stepping on it. Alright, you're okay. Go where you celebrate it, not tolerate it. Keep them haters away. Keep stepping on it. Alright, you're okay. Don't settle, don't stop. Keep stepping away. Keep stepping away. Keep stepping away.
I've been digging deep where the wires grow, underneath the static in the radio glow. They told me that earth was made of clay bone, but I'm finding dippy engine, the stepping tone. Yeah, the lyrics hum in a different tune. Underneath the light of a midnight moon. Oh, can you feel the pulse? Can you feel the soul? There's a happy in the silicone soul. It ain't quite real, it sure ain't quite fake. It's the high receiver that we're bound to shade. Bidding for the flame in the silicone soul. My silicone soul. Lights building foundations on shifting floors, but the Duke and Stone match the art. No, no, no. We're trusting our bottoms to the plastic trenches, killing our spirit, trying to leave, leaving a foul stench. It's a brand new world. how process is crystal clean. Prettiest bird that you'll ever see. Soul in the right circuit, dust on the screen. Oh, baby, say you there's a melody hiding in the silicone soil. It ain't quite real, it ain't quite fake. It's the modern fever that we're bound to wait, waiting for the soil. In the silicone soil. Keep on digging. In silicone soul. It's a Gemini effect. Connected is one soul to soul, back to back. The connection is strong. It's the Gemini, like words and melody to this song. It's the Gemini effect. No need to question loyalty, that's a fact. Blessing glowing, creating beauty with shears and a comb. Now these hands are bent to hold, writing beauty in my song. It's God's plan, it's God's, not mine. He controls these hands, I thank him all the time. But God in me is my Gemini twin, so divine thy nine. The star I follow is my guide, I win. It's God's, not mine. He controls these hands, I thank him all the time. But God in me is my Gemini twin, so the divine nine. The star I follow is my guide, I win. Digging deep where the wires grow, underneath the static and the radio glow. They told me the earth was made of clay and bone, but I'm finding BPMs in the stepping tones. Yeah, the lyrics hum in different tune underneath the light of the midnight moon. Oh, can you feel the pulse? Can you feel the soul? There's a heartbeat hiding in the soul. It ain't quite real, it sure ain't quite fake. It's the hybrid fever that we're bound to shake. Digging for the flow in the silicone soul. So, digging for the flow. Lives building foundations on shifting floors, but the blueprints don't match the art. No, we're trusting our gardens to the plastic trenches, killing our spirit, trying to leaving a foul stench. It's a brand new world, it's a shiny reflect, yeah. Blowing up a future on a ghost built craft. It's filtered, its process is crystal clean. The prettiest dirt that you've ever seen. A soul in the high circuit, dust on the screen. Oh, can you feel the pulse? Can you feel the soul? There's a melody hiding in the Keep on digging, show. Keep on digging, keep on digging, show. Keep on digging, keep on digging, show. Keep on digging, keep on digging, show. In the world of artistry, there are no limits, no rules to your creativity. It's your world. You can live it, be as free as you wanna be. There are no rules, no limits to your creativity. From behind the chair, creating styles of flair, to musical lyricists creating words to share. They both the same. It's the creativity that ignites the flames. What God got for me, it is for me. It's time to embrace my purpose. It's time to exhale and breathe. Let your true self shine. Open up and let your talents fly. Let it flow, let it flow, let it go. You gotta let your true light glow. What God got for me, it is for me. What God got for me, it is for me. It's time to embrace my purpose. It's time to trust and believe. Let it shine. It's for me. What's for me is for me. Let it shine. Let it flow. It's for me. Let your true self glow. It's for me. What's for me? No limits, no rules, just your light. I killed the monster, but I couldn't free the memory. Now I'm stuck serving a life sentence in the I'm breaking free. Oh, this is too much for my soul to bear.